Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep, coming at you today with an ACT math question. This was number 19 from ACT 59F from 2003. Let's get involved. For the function h of x equals 4x squared minus 5x, what is the value of h of negative 3? Now right there, pause it, pause the video. Why not take a crack at it yourself, and then you can come back and watch the explanation. I'll wait. I think the most helpful way to think of functions is as a set of instructions, right? So what this tells us is that when you have a number next to h in the parentheses, what that means is 4 times that number squared minus 5 times that number. So we have negative 3 here in the parentheses, and we're just going to do to negative 3 everything that is done to x in the original function, right? So we'll do 4 times negative 3 quantity squared minus 5 times negative 3. All right, negative 3 squared is 9. 4 times 9. Feel free to use your calculator. I'm pretty good at my times tables. So that's 36. 4 times 9 minus 5 times negative 3 would be negative 15. So that ends up being plus 15, right? 36 plus 15, which equals, calculator should be out, 51. Very cool. So the answer then is 51. If you find yourself being confused by functions, you can rest assured that you are in good company. Me, when I was 17. It took me a few years to understand functions. I got through pre-calculus and calculus, but each time I would walk into a test in those classes, I would just end up crossing my fingers and hoping that there weren't too many functions, because I didn't understand what was going on or what I was supposed to do with them. It wasn't until years later when I was procrastinating writing this paper in college and watching math YouTube videos because I had run out of distractions that I watched this video explaining functions and it all clicked for me, right? And so it can be helpful to be a little bit patient with yourself. You might think, man, people have been trying to teach me this thing over and over again. I just don't get it. I can't do it, or something like that. But I am living proof as someone who currently understands functions that you can learn these things. So it looks like the answer was D. Again, we looked at what was done to x in the original function, and we just plugged in negative 3 into that spot and did everything that the function told us to do. Very cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends? My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.